Today I'm going to be showing you how to download fonts for Fonto or Font. So you're just going to want to go onto a browser web and search up the font, and it should pop up right here. There you go. Pick one. So for an example, we're just going to search up and the Beast, and press this one right here which says download. You might have to press it twice. Then press download, and then when that goes like that, just press on this. Make sure that you have files, and then you're gonna press on the one that you just downloaded, so Beauty and the Beast, and then you hold it down and press and scroll down, press share, and press on Fonto, and then it should be installed. Well, it'll say install and then you press on it. Hold on. So I gotta scroll until I just find a picture of Charlie, I guess. Press done. Add text. Then you should go to the fonts, and you go to my fonts, and it will be there, and you can press on it. See? So then there. So then you can let's just name this as YouTube. Done. You can move it, and then you just get the size.
Courtney's coming over for a bit.
Why? Which one?
Sad and lonely with her cat.
Okay. Okay, so there. Don't worry, guys. I was just talking around. You can just press on this and then save it, and then there you go. Bye, guys.